Hi, my name is Kate Berry from the University of Texas at Austin. Welcome to this video where we will talk about the Jolly Roger Review in the Pirate Math Equation Quest intervention. Specific to this video, we will talk about using Jolly Roger Review with our multiplicative schemas, our equal group schema, our comparison schema, and our ratios and proportions schema. When we have our Jolly Roger Review, we need the following materials. We need our Jolly Roger Review worksheet. Notice we have fluency problems on the top and our word problem on the bottom. And as in this example, some of our word problems include charts or graphs. You'll also need a pencil and a timer. This activity is 2 minutes for the fluency component at the top and 2 minutes for the word problem at the bottom. You'll also need your UPS check attack strategy, as well as your 3 schema posters, 1 for equal groups, 1 for comparison, and 1 for ratios and proportions. I also have developed a key for you in case you don't want to do the mental math while students are working on their Jolly Roger Review worksheets. You'll see here we have our Jolly Roger Review top. I know that for lesson 1, the top is going to consist of multiplication facts, specifically working on 2s. And the bottom here you see I've written the exact same word problem. And then we have a key. So I've identified the schema. We know that the schema is equal groups with a missing product. We have our relevant information that students will need to cross out, which we have in some of our word problems. Then I've listed the equation, both the equal groups equation as the letters, so GR times N equals P, which stands for the group times the number in each group equals the product. And I've also listed when we plug in the numbers here. So you'll see the equation 5 times 20 equals 100. And I've also listed the answer here. So we have our number answer and our label answer. So we have a key for every Jolly Roger Review. So you may be wondering when you can incorporate your Jolly Roger Review activity into your classroom. Similar to the ship-shape sorting and the Buccaneer problems, there are a lot of different ways that you can think about utilizing the Jolly Roger Review in your classroom. So we first can think about Jolly Roger Review as a center activity. We also can think about it as an independent practice activity. And this is what we usually utilize the Jolly Roger Review for within the context of our intervention. We provide students 2 minutes to practice fluency and then another 2 minutes to practice the word problem. And it really gives us a good idea of what students are understanding and not understanding. We also could use this as an exit slip. Maybe before students leave for the day, they have to complete the fluency component and or the word problem component. We also can use the Jolly Roger Review as a homework activity, maybe thinking about it not as a timed activity, but as something that students are working on at home to reinforce fluency practice and to reinforce the word problem practice. And just a quick note about fluency. Fluency means that we are solving math problems in a way that's accurate and in a way that's efficient. So we want to incorporate fluency practice daily, and we want it to be brief, so 1 to 2 minutes. So you'll notice the top part of the Jolly Roger Review activity consists of multiplication fluency problems. We start with math facts, then we move to division facts, and then we move to multiplying larger numbers. So again, everything about fluency is all about accuracy and efficiency, and it's important because it's going to make every other part of math easier for students. So there are many different ways we can think about the Jolly Roger Review. Oftentimes we think about it as an independent activity, but if you want to, again, you can incorporate it as a group activity in center work. I'd like to thank the Institute of Education Sciences, the University of Texas at Austin, and the Meadows Center for Preventing Educational Risk. Without their support, this work would not be possible.